Hello, welcome to Mart's garage. Look, I've put the truck in the garage. The reason I've brought the truck into the garage is because I want to try and improve this. This mirror is absolutely useless. It doesn't appear to be correct, and although it mounts there on the hinge, it isn't high enough or far enough out to actually be able to see back past the truck. All you see is this area of the door. When I had my other truck, I salvaged this off it. This is a longer stalk. I'm thinking maybe if I use this stalk like that, it might be better for me. But this goes on the hinge pin there, then it has a bolt in that position as like a secondary backup. So I thought I would see if I can take this pin out. Okay, wish me luck. Let's see how this job goes. All the tug, that's why it's cocking over, because it's managing to bend that somehow. The load is bending that. Can you see the pin? But you can see it has come out. It's come out about 5/8 of an inch. The end of the pin is about that far up the hole. Wonder if I can just kind of try hitting this. Moving, okay. Okay, I'm going to give it a break now because it's getting a bit late and I'm getting a bit tired. But I can carry on tomorrow because I've got this other. I've got this. Oh, look at that. Maybe I'm not going to be able to carry on with that then, eh? You've seen enough of me struggling. Right, thanks very much for joining me in the garage then. Take care, and I'll bring you back when I'm able to do a bit more, probably tomorrow. Hello, back on the job. It's the day after. It's quite nice today. I think I'm going to try and straighten or cut off the top of this pin. what does occur to me that it would be easier to hammer this down than it is to hammer it up. But to be honest, I'm not sure what to do. I'll in my usual bull-headed fashion, I'll just continue to do what I've been doing. Struggle. Okay, right, let's try and straighten it. Okay, let's try and do that. That pin's popped out. Let's use a smaller diameter punch. I'll show you that side. Can you see it? Trouble is I've drilled through and partly into the metal. Okay, there's the scene of destruction. Let's see where I am. There I am. Okay, well, I've got no choice really. I'm just going to reassemble it. I think I might have a hinge pin somewhere. I think all the problems were associated with like misalignments. But you can see there, look, there's a little groove there for lubrication. You can see it, a little groove for lubrication. You can see it on the bottom there as well. Okay, right. Well, that was 2 days of hard work for nothing. Okay. Righto, back in a bit. It doesn't look as bad as I thought it might actually. I've got these ones, but they're not quite long enough. Well, they would just about do it, I suppose. See if I can fit it in the small Myford chuck. No, I don't know what I'm going to do. Here's the setup. This is long enough that it fits in these jaws on this little Myford chuck. So I've put it in there, and I've got this chuck in that chuck, and that's going to be the setup. I'm not going to film it because I haven't got a decent setup at the moment to get the camera over here. So just take my word for it, I'm going to turn that. Okay. There's the pin. There's the pin. Here's my bracket. I've straightened the bracket, kind of just twisted it in the vise. A bit better than what it was. So I'm going to not fully fit it. I'm going to fit it like a dummy fit it, just in case I need to do anything with this end of it here. I'll leave it like that in case I need to take it out again. Okay, I need to see what I've got in the way of a mirror head now. I've got a bit of one that I might try and use. Okay. Okay, I got it. Oh, I haven't got to draw that out. Okay. That don't look very good actually, but I might be able to improve on it once I've established the principle. As long as I can get it on there and to go to the right angle. Okay, that's nice and solid actually. Okay, that's too far out. All I can see is that garage door there. That's better. I can see the gate now. That's really good actually. Yeah, that's good. I don't know if this is off like a big truck or what. Could be pickup, I suppose. Yeah, I can see the fender. I can see my fender. And I can see the gate. I can see the end of next door's house. That's pretty good, yeah. Okay, right so. Well, there you go. That looks okay, I think. This is a quality British made one. Needs a clean. I think that's pretty decent, to be honest. This doesn't look very tidy, but I might try and do something on the lathe with that if I can. But after this such a big job now, I'm pretty tired, to be honest. And I could just put a standard nut on there if need be. But I think, you know, that's all right on a patinated truck. I think this truck's getting a little bit more patinated than I had bargained for. I need to get the cleaning products out and have a go at it. Okay, I'm going to leave it at that for now because I'm pretty tired, to be honest. It's such a big job. I'll show you one other thing. I don't know if you can see it, but can you see there's a mirror on that side? Look. That's just a clamp-on job. And let me tell you, that was a far simpler job than putting this one on this side. Okay. Righto, another complete and utter disaster in Mart's garage. But got there in the end. I've done one before and I've struggled with it almost as much as that. And that was getting this mirror off another truck. This mirror, you know, arm. But I think that looks pretty smart because it's the proper job, isn't it? What might be good actually would be to try and make a oh, okay, forget what I was just about to say. I was going to say what might be good would be to make like a copy of that and put it on the other side, but that would have involved taking the hinge pin out, so forget that. That's not going to happen. Okay, so there you go then. There's one mirror. You can't really see it. There's the other. That one was just clamped on, and I had to do a little bit of subtle bending on the arm to get it just right, but that's okay. So I can see at the back now, and yeah, I think that's pretty good. And I don't think it sticks past the edge of the running board. If it does, it's only by a fraction. Okay, righto. Thanks for joining me in the garage then. I know it's been a complete disaster, but hey, some jobs are, aren't they? Thanks a lot then. Take care and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.